Alright, it's my first YouTube video, gear wise, but make you a gear video. Start with the head and work our way down. So, first on the list be my USMC Frog balaclava. It's fire resistant, Nomex, hot as fuck. Next will be my Bravo PJ helmet. There's a little custom tan / green paint job on there. Rocking the American flag, Navy SEAL logo. On the back, have my identity with my team name, Sarayu, Special Operations Rapid Enforcement Unit. On the bottom, last name's Campbell, said who's in front of them. Got wire mesh mask. Operator cut them so they can fit in my helmet, like so. Just snaps in there and comes across on my face and stuff. For the day games, wear some Nemesis safety glasses. Over here, I got some Vulcan goggles, pretty nice. And for the nighttime, got my light, different modes, and it has different colors, with the blue, green, red strobe. Back. And then on the back there's a little red light. I just mainly run the red light for signal that I'm dead. Now the chest area. This is my Emerson / Avengers JPC. Got off what is it? AliExpress, Chinese website. Never order for them, takes forever. But I got my morale patches, got my winning, nut up, shut up, and then the newest one. Fuck her in the pussy. Then my BDU's top, I got a U.S. Army Massif combat shirt, rocking the IR flag, sergeant patch because I'm in the ROTC and I'm a sergeant. Promoting the sergeant, sorry, my last name. Over here, got the Special Forces patch because we're Special Operation. And got my other team patch, Spartan. On the vest, I just use the front, nothing on the back. Got some Blue Force gear, 10-speed triple M4 mag. Saving up for a KWA SR7. I don't know if that's gonna be good or not. Also, I'll rock a Midland camouflage walkie-talkie. I'm gonna upgrade to a Baofang, which my friends recommend for hands. Sorry about that. Got the mechanics wear, original in black. Love these gloves. Working our way down, got a proper belt hooked up to my makeshift zip tie handcuffs. Real nice with a carabiner. Need a carabiner in Airsoft. Got the belt from eBay. Uniforms from eBay. On my belt, on the back, I rock a Phantom Gear dump pouch for M4s and Multicam. And for the pants, I got the Army Custom with the Crye Precision knee pads. Soon